packet recovered from your pocket.
I say that my lord,
It was forcibly kept in your pocket. The same swan song.
exactly my lord is the
ಮತ್ತೆ
wording of
if a government servant has received himself and is caught red-handed with money, departmental enquiry ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ನಡೆಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. No, only trial.
the petitioner is working as my lord commercial tax officer
7A.
7A, but I have served my lord the other side.
I'll file my objection.
Failed trap, successful trap.
But
Successful trap.
Partially successful.
partially it is successful my lord. I will
ಯಾಕೆ ಕೈ ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಬಂತು?
ಕೈ ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಮನಿ ಇಸ್ ರಿಕವರ್ಡ್. ಲಾರ್ಡ್ annexure A page 43, I initiate proceedings against the complainant on 26/12/2023. Lord,
Oh, you wreak vengeance.
Lord, 12/2/2024, Lord, I have passed an order directing him to pay the penalty. Then my lord, an order is closing the my lord proceedings at page 49. Thereafter my lord, on 29/2/2024, file is closed. After my lord, 1 month, almost 1 month, 11/3/2024, my lord, he gives a complaint that on 16/2 I had demanded a bribe.
Oh, postpaid. Postpaid.
A proceeding, my lord, page 51 is the order passed by me directing him to pay 20,000 penalty, which my lords will find at page 51. Complaint is,
Let the complainant come.
Lord, trial court is my lord posting the matter on daily basis, my lord.
ಯಾಕೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೈಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ my lord.
ಯಾಕೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. The day it was filed.
ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ 27th January 2026.
Yes, my lord. So my lord, summons was issued.
Get the ಅಷ್ಟದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. Lord, now I have filed an application.
Information. Yes.
Lord, I have filed application for discharge which is rejected.
When?
My lord, on 17/1/2026.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
But thereafter my lord, charge is framed. But as on the date of filing the my lord,
We'll see.
my lord, on daily basis my lord, it is posted, and my lord, no case is listed for evidence my lord on Monday. On my lord, ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ದಿನ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಸ್ಪೀಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಲ್ ಸರ್.
Your lordship may kindly protect my interest my lord. Trial court is in
Lord, I'll file my objections, my lord. ಇವರೇ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವರೇ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ.
ಎರಡು ನೀವೇನಾ?
Yes, please, your lordship.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಕವರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಆಯ್ತು?
recovery is from my table my lord. By
Not table, my lord.
ಪಾಕೆಟ್.
Pocket.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
40,000, my lord.
40
Yes, please, lord.
from your pocket. Yes.
your lordship may kindly my lord,
You see,
on daily
ಈ
basis
ರೇಕಿಂಗ್ ವೆಂಜನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನೊಂದು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾಗಶಯನ
ನಾಗಶಯನ my lord, which is
4807 of 2022.
Lord,
All right. ಅದು that is affirmed by Supreme Court. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
page my lord 169.
You produced it, is it?
I have produced,
all
my
right.
lord.
Yes. So that Supreme Court affirms it.
4807.
But there driver had taken. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಷ್ಟ. Packet recovered from your pocket. Very difficult.
But some protection my lord.
No, sir. Yes. File your objections.
But some protection my
Sir,
lord.
I will tell you clearly. If a government servant has received himself and is caught red-handed with money, departmental enquiry ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ನಡೆಯೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. We know only trial. But if somebody else has received it, we'll definitely look into it, because it may be that you have been trapped or trapped otherwise, but not in these cases.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋತಾ
ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ
ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬಿಡಿ.
If my lord, if
No, sir.
petition
No.
in the event my lord, petition
If
is
you have, my money is recovered from your pocket, I will not interfere.
your my lord, I am
Sir,
hoping for
3 ತಿಂಗಳಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಲಿ, 4 ತಿಂಗಳಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ, why did you take money? Why did you take money?
Lord, your lordship may kindly come to the trap measure for a
No,
moment.
sir.
Lord,
Pocket ಇಂದ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದು.
Yes, please, your lordship.
Huh?
Pocket ಇಂದಾನೆ, my lord. At page number 70, my lord.
ಏನಿದೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
Yeah, read, my lord.
I say
Huh.
that, my lord,
It was forcibly kept in your pocket. The same swan song.
exactly, my lord, is the
ಮತ್ತೆ-
wording of, my lord,
ಅದೇ,
petitioner.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, on
ಎಲ್ಲ-
facts, my lord, I don't want
ಎಲ್ಲರ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ. It was forcibly kept in my pocket.
facts ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ, till then, my lord.
No, sir, nothing.
ಇಲ್ಲ, till next date, my lord, let them not examine PW1.
Nothing, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
PW1 ಮಂಡೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Yes,
ಅದೇ,
list the mat.
proceedings would be
List on 12th March.
Yes, your lordship.
Notice has to go to, my lord,
Complainant.
complaint. My lords directed me to serve upon, my lord, my learned friend. I have served.
Emergent notice to the complainant returnable by 12th.
Till then, my lord, your
Oh,
lordship
no,
may say, not to precipitate, my lord, till
No,
next.
Sir, in a case where money is found in the hands of a government servant, no.